Now, the Omicron scare has brought with it long hauls at the airport. Passengers face immense hardships, waiting for more than 6 hours. Watch this report.
Long lines and a longer wait for COVID tests. Chaos, confusion, and the COVID conundrum are back to haunt travellers again. International passengers are having a harrowing time at airports in India. Suzanne's flight from Russia landed in Delhi at 5 a.m. She came out of the airport 7 hours later at noon.
How much time did you wait inside the airport?
I think 4 hours I need to will be wait.
4 hours? And which test did they do? RT-PCR test?
Negative test I have in airport.
Okay, but you had to wait at the airport inside.
Yes, inside.
Almost on the verge of tears, Navjot, herself a nurse, was also not aware of mandatory testing at the airport. She says authorities are not accepting online payments, making things more difficult for passengers.
कार्ड से एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, अंदर कैश ही ले रहे हैं?
नहीं, कैश में ले रहे थे.
कैश में ही ले रहे हैं?
कैश में ही ले रहे थे.
तो अगर किसी के पास कैश नहीं है तो काफ़ी बड़ी दिक्कत हो सकती है.
हाँ, वो बोलते हैं कि आप जाके चेंज करवा सकते हैं. डायरेक्टली इन्होंने कहा कि आप वहाँ पे शेयर कराना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने टेस्ट जल्दी में कराना है तो 4000 चार्ज लगते हैं. अगर आप 500 में कराते हैं तो आपको 6 घंटे वेट करनी पड़ेगी. तो हमने बोला नहीं, हम 4000 में नहीं कराते. हम बहुत डिस्कस किया पर हमने 4000 में किया, क्योंकि हमारे ब्रदर भी वहाँ पे वेट कर रहे हैं.
टेस्ट महंगा है, जो हमारे पास ना यहाँ की मनी होती फिर हम क्या करते. जॉब से आए हम, यहाँ के पैसे होंगे, यहाँ के पैसे हमारे पास कहाँ हैं. और आपको टाइम हमारे को पकड़ने पड़े.
अच्छा, तो आपको अंदर इंतजार कितना करना पड़ा?
5-6 घंटे, 4-5 घंटा हो गया.
Vinod waited for 6 hours at the airport after a 9-hour direct flight from London. He says the authorities did not tell him about testing and the waiting period.
The number of hours which you will be spending between the flight and at the airport will increase drastically. Say, for example, if you're coming from the United Kingdom and you take a direct flight, which is roughly 9 hours, then you will have to spend additional 6 hours sitting at the airport waiting for the test result. Now, the government thinks this is one of the safest and the surest way of making sure that the new COVID variant does not spread in the country.
Gene String's lab is responsible for COVID testing at the Delhi International Airport.
We are expecting around 1500 samples during peak hours during night at the airport, from mainly for European countries. We are making all efforts to increase the staff and the number of machinery in order to reduce the TAT. Initially the TAT was around 4 to 6 hours, which we are trying to reduce to 4 hours so that there is not much wait for the passengers at the airport.
There are 2 types of RT-PCR tests available: a rapid RT-PCR test and a regular RT-PCR test. A rapid RT-PCR test takes about an hour for the result. The normal one takes at least 4. But it all comes at a cost. A rapid RT-PCR test costs 3,900 rupees per person, while a regular one will cost 500 rupees. India has not banned flights coming from at-risk nations yet, but screening and strict travel guidelines have left passengers at sea. With Milan Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, the emergence of the new COVID-19 variant Omicron has sparked global fear. Do vaccines work against the mutated variant? Will Omicron be deadlier than Delta? How do viruses mutate and affect our immunity? Should you be worried? Our next report gives you all the answers.
Viruses mutate, and that is a reality we have to live with. Well, that really is a word from experts. It is a natural process. Viruses change during reproduction. In the case of Omicron, Doctors from South Africa say that prolonged infection in a patient suffering from AIDS, essentially an immunocompromised patient, has actually caused the mutation. Prolonged infection allows the virus to replicate or reproduce for a longer duration inside the body of the patient.